action!
Start by pumping up your 260 white balloon and tie a knot. And also pump up your red 260 balloon and also tie a knot. Using the white balloon, make a pinch twist. Now make your second pinch twist. This is going to be for the center of our Pokéball. Now attach the end of the red balloon into the pinch twists. We're going to start working with our white balloon first. Make 4 equal-sized loop twists for the top of the Pokéball. So as you can see, we made 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel free to adjust as you like to make the Pokéball look nicer. And lastly, we're going to make our 4th loop twist. Tie it back to the pinch twists. And now you can cut the rest of the white balloon off and tie a knot. Wrap the knot around the pinch twist to secure it. So as you can see, we have 4 white loop twists. Now onto our red balloon, we're going to repeat the same process, so we're going to make 4 loop twists. So we made our first one, tie it back to the middle pinch twists, make our second one, tie it back to the pinch twists, our third loop twist, and our last loop twist. We're going to tie this one back to the middle pinch twist as well. Secure it as many times as you like to make sure that none of the loop twists are falling apart. Now you can cut off the rest of that red balloon and tie a knot. Make sure the knot is hidden and inside of the Pokéball. Also, make sure that the middle pinch twist of the white part of the Pokéball is in front and in the back of the Pokéball. So as you can see, there's one on this side, and there's one on the other side. Feel free to squish the loop twist as you need just to make everything look a bit nicer. Now onto our black outline. Use a black 160 balloon, or if you don't have a 160, you can use a 260, and tie a knot. Tie this end of the balloon into one of the pinch twists. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a loop twist and we're gonna tie it to the other pinch twist on the other side of the Pokeball. Wrap it around the middle a couple times. And we're gonna finish it off by making one last loop twist for the other side of the Pokeball. One more loop twist onto the other side and make sure to tie it back to the pinch twist in the middle. Now you can pop off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Adjust all the loop twists to make sure that they're nice and neat on the Pokeball. So feel free to just move it around and make everything squish together nicely. Isn't it so easy? And your Balloon Pokeball is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Pokeball. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.